Hi, I'm Evelyn Lau, and I'm here today to let you know that a miracle happened in my life that I never thought could happen through Dr. Sapira. I never knew that it's possible for me to look good again, feel young again, feel like really living again. And I thank God for her, how she came in my life and what the miracles she did with her magical fingers, with my gums and my teeth. And it's just something I can't explain, but you have to see for yourself. I am so happy I got teeth again. I can eat anything I want, not have to put glue in my mouth. I'm just so proud of her. I can just hug her and kiss her, but I can't. But still, it's not,
Yes,
it's a girl thing. But I love her so much, her and the staff. Thank God for them being here, because she could not have been here. And I thank God for my daughter finding her on the internet. And she's very easy to find. Trust her, because she's a miracle working lady. She got great faith in what she do, and great gifted too with her hands. And whatever you could, I don't know, just come and see for yourself.
Thanks.
She's excellent.
Her doll. Thanks. I'll give you a hug now. Thanks.